Hey, good to see you. I've been running the Q5 Pro for a while now, and I want to show you why once you use it every day, you'll realize how much difference a well-rounded PC can make. This is for someone who's done with sluggish loading times, stutters, or constant juggling just to get smooth gameplay or editing sessions. You're someone who values balance, enough power to game, edit, or multitask, but without overpaying for overkill. Before you overthink it, check price and availability now. This kind of capable PC doesn't stay available forever. You know that old rig that took ages to launch a game, or choked when you opened too many tabs, or made rendering feel like watching paint dry? The moment you turn on Q5 Pro, that waiting ends. Programs open fast, games load quick, and switching between tasks feels natural. You start believing that maybe, just maybe, you don't have to settle for budget compromises anymore. Whether you're dropping into a multiplayer match, editing some footage, or just streaming while browsing, this PC handles all of it without breaking a sweat. The 32GB RAM gives breathing room. The 3050 with 6GB gives enough power for modern games at decent settings. The 1TB NVMe SSD makes boot and load times sharp and crisp. If you wait too long, price or stock might shift. Better to check now instead of second-guessing later. Maybe you worry, is it powerful enough for heavier workloads? With this setup, you're getting performance and stability, surprisingly solid for the price. It's not a monster rig, but it punches above what you'd expect. That modest power draw, that quieter fan hum under load, those turn into reliability you can count on. You feel the difference in loading speeds, you get smooth multitasking whether gaming or editing, you dodge the frustration of waiting on your old PC, you enjoy a balanced setup, power where it matters, you get a stable system that doesn't overheat or choke. It might struggle with ultra-high graphics or future AAA titles over several years. It might not maximize every setting at highest quality. Even so, after a point comparing specs and worrying about every gigahertz, you go with what gets the job done reliably. If you want solid performance now without overspending, check the price, grab the Q5 Pro, and let it prove that you don't need to overpay to upgrade.